The Metal Shop air handler products provide a beautiful finished appearance. Return air stands are available in both fiberglass and metal and come in a variety of sizes for seamless stacked vertical installation. The Metal Shop RA stands completely eliminate the need to build an insulated box under your air handler unit. The Metal Shop filter housing sits snugly and offers an easy-to-open embossed aluminum door. Designed for multiple size filters, this sturdy air filter housing is made with 26-gauge galvanized steel. The Metal Shop air filter housing and return air stands together provide virtually seamless installations. Return air stands are fully insulated with R6 ductboard, and the return air stands are made to fit all manufacturer brands. Choose products designed and manufactured by the Metal Shop for all your installation products, and ask for the Metal Shop products by name. Check out the Metal Shop website for our complete line of American-made products that will make your installations go easier, faster, and give you a seamless stacked finished installation.